Hi, I'm Kaelin with Vacuum Wholesalers. I'm going to show you how to start using your central vacuum. First, you'll want to insert your hose into the hose outlet. Open the outlet cover and line up your hose with the guide. If you're going to be using an electric power head, you'll also want to plug the attached cord into an electrical outlet. Next, you'll want to insert the handle on the other end of your hose into your wand. If your wand isn't already attached to your floor tool, you want to click it into place like this. Most hoses that are designed to be used with an electric power head have a three-way switch. The center position is off. The first position turns on just the vacuum. And the second position turns on the vacuum and the power head. You are now ready to start using your central vacuum.